Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the post notifications to see each time I upload a new video. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this video. Today we will be doing a twist out using the Blue Magic grease. Some of you may be familiar with this grease. This grease has been in our family for generations. Okay, I grew up on Blue Magic scalp plaster. Okay, mommy had me, you know, fixed up with the Blue Magic grease. So if you want to see how I got my twist out, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are going to be starting out on blown out hair, fresh hair. We got a nice little wash, day. And I just blow dried my hair. So all I'm doing right now is just trying to get my hair how I think I want it. I was playing around with my little baby hairs, trying to figure out how I wanted to slick them down with this twist out. And I'm just going to be doing like some 2-strand twists in the back of my head and flat twists on the side of my head. So yeah, enjoy that.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world. myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, right here, I'm just showing you guys the growth that I received over the past year. October officially made it a whole year that I dyed my hair, and I'm just showing you guys a little length check. Like, my hair grew out really fast. I'm really happy about it because I'm getting a little bit over my ginger stage because I want to do other things with my hair. So yeah.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. I have like 6 in the back and like 1, 2, 3 on each side. So it's like 9. So I have 9 in total. My battery's about to die. But yeah, we're gonna see what we look like tomorrow. Alright y'all, so I'm just slicking down my edges just a little bit using some mousse. I didn't want to use gel because I didn't want my hair to revert, so I just decided to play around with this mousse and see what it did, and then I just unraveled my hair. For final thoughts, I would definitely use Blue Magic again. If you are someone who likes more definition, definitely do smaller twists, but if you like more volume and a fuller look, just make your twists a little bit bigger. So my hair definitely had some shine to it, and it was also lightweight, so I would definitely do this again. But that is all I have for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, and as always, I will see y'all in my next video.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart.